Hello there. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the best characteristic consistency in Midjourney. That being said, let's get started to it. I'm just gonna type in the command imagine, and then I have a prompt ready for you guys. I've tried it all before, and this is the best one I can get for this video. Now, while waiting for the prompt to finish, I'm just gonna get back to you once it's finished, okay? Hello there. So our prompt just finished, and the only tip right here, or the main key point right here, takeaway on this video is this specific keywords. Let me just highlight that one. Give me a second. Okay, so this is our prompt in total, and this highlighted keywords right here are the ones you should take note of. So first one is split into multiple different images, shot from multiple angles. These two keywords, or these two prompts in addition, should always be on your prompts going forward to make more consistent characters, okay? That being said, I can edit this more. For example, I'm going to choose along this 4. I'm going to choose the second one to the right and wait for it to finish loading. It's going to cancel or rather start the job in a minute or two, and there you go. Now, that being said, make sure you have remix mode enabled. To check, just type in /settings, and then make sure that this remix mode is on green. That being said, after clicking that one, make sure you click on this left pan icon to make it more characteristics, more consistent characters, just a little bit more, okay? Now, that being said, I can now add more characters with this one. For example, a woman in a forest. Click on submit, and you can see right now, I'm gonna take this character and put it into a forest. Other than that, that is just another example. But the key point I want you to take note of on this video are the ones that I've used earlier. These two specific prompts, split into multiple different images and shot from multiple angles. It doesn't matter what is the first few prompts that you choose from, but make sure you add these two at the very end, okay? That being said, let's just wait for the final image to come through, and then we can conclude on this video right now. I'm just wait for it, and it's still waiting for 46%. And even though it's currently on the fast mode right now, that means Midjourney is being used by a lot of people. Even though we're on the paid version, it's still being used by a lot of people. Okay? And that being said, this is how it should look like. The forest is at the background, and the girl we've used earlier is still there. Okay? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. That's how you get consistent characters on Midjourney. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.